welcome back to my channel. It's me Sri and you're watching my channel. So if you're watching me for the first time, then hit the subscribe button because it's free. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how I can make study less boring and more interesting. That means fun, kind of fun. You can't make study entire fun, or you can after watching this video. So I know you have clicked this video because you don't like to study just like me and want to make this fun. So I think you should watch this video until the end, and without any questions or topics or any kind of delay, let's start this video. So starting with the first most step is rewarding yourself. So what I mean by rewarding yourself, so let me explain this. So suppose you are studying and if I complete this chapter today itself, then I can watch or do something I like to do. It's like a reward, it's like a gift to you. So what happens when we reward ourselves? So connecting a reward to your period of a study will effectively not only help you for a mental break, also it will be effective for your next time study because it will increase your focus to the study and you will like to study more and it will make the study fun. So my second tip is watch a study related video. So you can watch any kind of study vlogs or real-time study or study routines I have in my channel, only in my YouTube channel. You can check them out, or you can watch someone else you like to watch. So what happens if we watch those kind of videos, we get attracted to them and it's like we develop an interest that we have to study and we have to do things. You can study for a more and a longer time because in those videos they're so calming and you also think the study is so calming and interesting. So then you focus on study more likely, and it helps me a lot in my studies. It helps me a lot. It's my personal opinion, literally personal opinion. So my third tip is take study breaks. Constantly studying for 5 hours isn't healthy at all. Break your study time into multiple parts to make it a lot more easier, and also it helps to retain the information in your head for a longer time. So my fourth tip is use nice stationery. So this is totally optional and also it's not very essential. You can use whatever you like to use, but it's a very plus point to make your study more fun because you will be excited that I have brought new stationery today and I am very excited to study, and it really helps me in studying more because I like coloring pens and gel pens and all, and they're very interesting to study and it makes everything, I make everything colorful and all, and I love to study after that. You can try it out, and it's not a essential thing you're thinking I have to buy. It's not at all. If you can buy, you should buy. So my fifth tip is studying in an organized place. Being organized makes everything a lot more easier. You do not have to waste any time for looking for the stuffs because everything should be organized on your table, on your study table, or the place you are studying, because if you get up and look out for a study material, it will spend a lot of time and also it will distract you and break your concentration. It's so horrible thing. So you should keep everything around you to reach by your hand, which can be reached by your hand by sitting itself. So my sixth tip is study with your friends. Hold on. If you and your friends can study seriously, eliminate distraction and can stay serious, then only you will get a great benefit from it. What happens when you are in a group of study, you can accountably more than just yourself. You can gain knowledge from everyone out there, and the knowledge is circulates in the group and it becomes a very profitable thing. And you and your friends should be serious, or else
you need to be serious.
It will not work at all. It will not work at all if you start gossiping. So So the last and my most favorite tip is that I do always is study with some good music. It works wonder for me, you can't disagree, and it for me it works wonder. You should give it a try. What happens when you study with music? It lets your brain absorb more information and interact with new informations, and it's scientifically proven that it can help you in study. It helps me a lot. The concentration become very fixed that you're listening to music and doing your homework or studying. I literally don't get distracted at all. And if you get distracted by songs, then I will avoid listening to songs and listen some music only. You can find lot of playlists on Spotify. There are lot of free playlists. They are very helpful. You can make one for yourself with your favorite songs. You can do anything you like. So with all these tips, this completes my entire video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I have done a lot of research before making this video. And also sorry because I'm uploading after a month, I guess. Yes, I'm uploading after a month. Please drop some video topics in the comment sections. I will read them all and will try to make if I can. Obviously I will. So without any further delay, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon, and also like my video because one like equals to one motivation. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias like Instagram. You can connect with me on Instagram, you can DM me there, I will surely reply. So for today, this only. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. For my second tip is watch a study related video just before after study. What the hell? Second God.